Guys, today me and Kyle are gonna be putting on some new headlights. We got Thompson Creek MotorSports. I recommend them. I got them in mine. Look how nice those are compared to the factory ones. I think it's 6-inch LED light bars, plug and 7-inch plug and play. And compared to the factory ones, you know, the factory ones get tinted and they get mud and water in them, and they just kind of suck. They're not LED, so it's a huge upgrade. You must do it. We'll start by removing them, and we'll show y'all how.
There's 4 screws behind the headlight, and then you got a 10mm bolt that goes to a bracket that comes off your frame. So you got 10mm bolt, and then you got 4 Phillips head. There's 2 up top, 2 on the bottom. Take them off.
You disconnect the factory ones, and you just plug in. These aftermarket ones, plug and play.
So as you can see, we got the stock headlight out, all nasty and crusty and everything. And this bolt right here is the back top bolt. It can be a pain to get to, especially if you have your radiator still in here and it's not relocated. But with the radiator relocated, it's fine. So then you come up here, and that's where your headlight pops in at. You just pop the old one out, and then do the same thing on the other side. This is exactly why, if you go and water anything, get rid of these factory headlights. My light's blue in this freaking water fish bowl.
There's probably some fish in there.
Yeah. Just go in here, pop that out. Fucking there's that. Alright, so on the Thompson Creek, basically for all the styles like this, you just use your factory screws that came in your factory headlight, and they go right here. Except you won't use the 10mm bolt this time because the bracket ain't gonna connect to this. So just use your 4 Phillips head screws, put it back in there. And then down here, where your bulb went in, it's a clip. Take the bulb out, and then it plugs right into this right here. It's pretty simple. So we'll go ahead and put this one back up in there and put them 4 screws in it and plug it up. All 4 screws in now. It might take a little bit of moving your fender around, whatnot, to get them lined up. Once you get all these 4 screws in, you got this plug right here. We know we took the light bulb out. But the old one, it just plugs straight in like that. Snaps right in there. And then when I get back done with the other side, I'm gonna come back through and zip tie it up out of the way, just so it ain't snagging on anything. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's what it looks like with one in there. Looks way better than factory, as you can see. I can see they make a huge difference. Look way better. That's high beam, and it works with your factory switch. Flip it on low beam. Then you got low beam. Yep. It's really good.
So on these headlights, I guess if you want to, it's got Allen heads on each side. So maybe if it ain't adjusted to how you like it, you can loosen them Allen heads and angle them up or down depending on how you want them facing or shining. But yeah, I'm really pleased with them. They look really nice. Fit up great.
Yeah.
And I know they're gonna look a whole lot better in factory, so.
That's for sure.
Alright, so the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here, zip tie these up out of the way. Just gonna bring it down. I'm gonna zip tie one over to this. Just kind of get up out of the way, and gotta be perfect. Keep it from hanging down. And bring this one over here. Honestly, you don't even need to do 2, but I'm just gonna do 2. Go over here and snip these off. And that's all. Not a lot to it.
And that's the finished product.
Start up. That's what it looked like. Low beam, high beam.
So that's how you install Thompson Creek MotorSports Headlights. Shout out to Lathan for sending these out. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all next one.